In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a property owner name in PropWire. Finding property ownership information can be useful when researching real estate, verifying property details, or gathering information about a specific address. PropWire provides tools that allow users to search for property records and view available ownership details. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of locating a property owner name using the platform. First, open your web browser and go to the PropWire website. Once the website loads, you'll be able to access the property search tools available on the platform. Make sure you are on the correct website to avoid using unofficial pages or services. Next, locate the search option on the website. You can usually search for a property by entering details such as an address, city, or other available property information. Enter the property details you want to research into the search bar and start the search. After the results appear, look through the available property information. Select the property that matches the address you are looking for. This will open a page containing more details about that specific property. On the property details page, review the information provided. If ownership records are available, you should be able to find the owner information listed within the property details. The available information may vary depending on the property record and the data provided by PropWire. Take a moment to review the details carefully and make sure the property information matches your search. This helps ensure that you are looking at the correct record and not a similar property with a different address. If the owner information is not visible or the details are limited, the available data for that property may be restricted or unavailable. In that case, you may need to check back later or review other available property details within the platform. That's how you can find a property owner name in PropWire. By using the search tools and reviewing the property records, you can quickly access the ownership information available for a specific property.